Hello. Good evening, all of you. I am Dhananjay Acharya from MSc Geology Department. So today we will learn about the reproduction in organisms. Okay, reproduction in organisms. Organisms in the sense only living organisms. Okay. So what do you mean by living organisms, guys? What do you mean by living organisms? I hope all of you know the difference between living and non-living. Okay, living organism means they have the all living features, like they have nutrition process, excretion process, digestion process. Okay, so that process, all living organism have the all the living features like nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion, reproduction, and digestions. Okay, are you getting my point? Alright. Then, so in living organisms, how they are reproduced, how they are doing reproduction, that thing we will learn in this video. Okay. So first of all, before come to the topic reproduction, first of all we must know something about the life, something about the living organisms. Okay. So each and every organisms can live only for a certain period of times. You know that points. You know that points already. Every living organisms have the certain period of time, certain period of lifespan. Okay, so nobody else permanently live in this earth. All have the temporarily. All living organisms are live in this earth very temporarily. Okay, so that points are written here. Each and every organisms can live only for a certain period of time. Only for a certain period of time, not for permanence. Okay, you know that one already. Okay, so the period from the birth to the natural death is called the lifespan. So what do you mean by lifespan? Lifespan is called the period from the birth to the natural death is called the lifespan. It's called the lifespan. Okay, are you understand what I mean by lifespan? The period from the birth to the natural death is called the lifespan. So different living organisms have the different lifespan. Like the elephant. The elephant lifespan is 60 to 90 years. Then the rose tree have the 5 to 7 years. Okay. Then butterfly, they have the 1 to 2 weeks only. They have the very certain lifespan. Okay. Next one is turtle. They have the 100 to 150 years. Okay. So what is the lifespan of human being? You know already. What? 100 years. Okay. 100 years. This is the lifespan of human being. So, okay. So now we will come to our topic, that is reproduction. So reproduction is the process in which a living organism produce new one of its own kind. So reproduction is the process in which the living organism produce new one of their own kinds. Okay, so that process is called the reproduction. So how we will doing reproductive system or reproduction? So that thing I explain after this. Okay, so reproduction is the process in which the living organism produce new one of its own kinds. Okay, of its own kind means we are human beings. So we will form the human beings, not elephant or not dog. Okay, so that is not possible. Okay, suppose the elephant will form the elephant baby. They can't form the human baby or human child. Okay, so like that, any living organisms, they after their reproduction, they form the new one of their own kinds. It means we are human. We are human. Our parents, father and mother. Okay, this is our parents. After this reproduction, they form the new human baby. Okay, are you getting my points? I again repeat the definition. Reproduction is the process in which a living organism produces new one of their own kind, same kind of baby they will form. Okay. Then, like in our human being, nutrition system are there, then respiration system are there, circulatory system are there, excretion system are there, and next one is digestive system also there in our human body. Digestive system. So like that, nutrition system, respiration system, circulatory system, excretory system, and digestive system, these all systems are very vital for our survival. Very vital for our survival. But the system reproduction, but the reproductive system is not vital for our survival. For our survival in this earth. But this is important for the developing of generation. The developing of generation. This is very simple. I hope all of you understand my points. Okay. So reproduction is important. Reproductive system is important for developing the generation, one generation to another generations. Okay. For developing our population. Okay. So reproduction is two types, that is sexual reproduction and asexual reproductions. Okay. So what do you mean by sexual reproduction? What do you mean by asexual reproduction? We will learn in my next video. Okay. Thank you.